Welcome back. We're continuing with more essential Turkish phrases from A Knight's Tale. Enjoying the content? A like would really help the channel grow. Ready to dive in? Let's get started.
Tamam, bağırma. Tamam, bağırma.
Means, okay, don't shout.
Tamam. Tamam. Tamam.
Okay, or all right.
Bağır. Bağır. Bağır.
Is the root of the verb,
Bağırmak. Bağırmak.
which means to shout or to yell in Turkish. And the suffix ma turns it into a negative command, meaning don't shout. In Turkish, to tell someone not to do something, the suffix ma or ne is added to the root of the verb. For example, yapma means don't do it. Gitma means don't go.
Tamam, bağırma. Tamam, bağırma. Ben ne yapsam şimdi? Ben ne yapsam şimdi?
Means, what am I going to do now? Let's break down the sentence step by step. Ben means I in English. Ne means what. It's used here to form a question.
Yap. Yap.
Is the root of the verb,
Yapmak. Yapmak.
which means to do or to make. In Turkish, we use this root and add different suffixes to create different tenses or meanings.
Yapcam. Yapcam.
Is actually a shortened, colloquial version of,
Yapacağım. Yapacağım.
which means I will do. This change happens because, in informal spoken Turkish, people tend to shorten words to make them easier and faster to say. The suffix,
Acak. Acak.
used for future tense meaning will or going to.
Yapacağım. Acağım. Acağım.
This form is also used for the first person singular. When speaking quickly, people often shorten these forms too.
Cam. Yapcam.
Şimdi means now.
Ben ne yapsam şimdi? Ben ne yapsam şimdi? İstemem.
Sen bilirsin.
İstemem.
Sen bilirsin.
İstemem. İstemem. İstemem.
Means I don't want.
İste. İste.
Is the root of the verb,
İstemek.
which means to want, and the suffixes ma is a negative suffix meaning not. This is the first person singular suffix meaning I.
Sen bilirsin. Sen bilirsin. Sen bilirsin.
Means it's up to you, or you decide. It's a casual way of saying do whatever you want, or it's your choice, implying that the boy is fine with whatever decision the girl makes.
Sen. Sen.
Means you.
Bil. Bil.
Is the root of the verb,
Bilmek. Bilmek.
which means to know.
Bilir. Ir. Ir.
This is the present tense suffix, indicating an ongoing or habitual action.
Bilirsin. Sin.
This is the second person singular suffix, meaning you.
İstemem.
Sen bilirsin.
İstemem.
Sen bilirsin.
Allah kahretsin ya. Allah kahretsin ya.
Means may God curse it or simply God damn it.
Allah. Allah.
Means God. Used as an exclamation in this context, not necessarily in a religious way, but more as an expression of strong emotion, like frustration or anger.
Kahret, kahret,
Is the root of the verb.
kahretmek, kahretmek.
Means to curse or to condemn. When you add the suffix,
Sin, kahretsin.
turns the verb into a wish or a strong expression of emotion, asking for something bad to happen or expressing frustration, similar to saying, may it be cursed, or damn it in English.
Allah kahretsin ya. Ya, ya.
Yeah, an interjection used to emphasize emotion, similar to oh or ugh in English. It can add a sense of frustration, annoyance, or intensity to the sentence.
Allah kahretsin ya. Allah kahretsin ya. Ne yapıyorsun? Ne yapıyorsun?
Means, what are you doing?
Ne yapıyorsun? Ne yapıyorsun?
Is a shortened colloquial form of.
Ne yapıyorsun? Ne yapıyorsun? Ne? Ne?
Means what?
Yap. Yap.
Is the root of the verb,
Yapmak. Yapmak.
which means to do or to make.
Yapıyor. Iyor. Iyor.
Indicates the present continuous tense, meaning doing.
Yapıyorsun. Sun. Sun.
Is the second person singular suffix, meaning you.
Ne yapıyorsun? Ne yapıyorsun?
Benim numaram bu. Benim numaram bu.
Means this is my number.
Benim. Benim.
Means my.
Numara. Numara.
Means number. The suffix m indicates possession, meaning my. So,
Numaram. Numaram.
means my number.
Bu. Bu.
Means this. It points to something specific, in this case, the phone number the boy has written.
Benim numaram bu. Benim numaram bu.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.